to check this one out. 3 sets dumbbell incline. This will give you a bigger pump than a balloon on Jiminy's birthday block party. Cable fly. This will put a stretch on the pectoral and produce proper pec proportions. Straight into 2 sets decline fly. Decline, down, lower chest. Boom. You'll be nice chest Chad in no time. Now arm circles. No, that's not an exercise. Finish it off with 2 sets close grip incline dumbbell press. By now you know the drill. Squeeze! You want to be a cool guy, you can hit some triceps at the end too. Because I know your silly business ain't hitting triceps more than you hit biceps. Once you're done with this workout, it's gonna be tempting to pick up a pizza. But instead of that pizza, I think we'd both rather have you get something that's gonna actually get you results. Like the 8-week workout programs in my bio. But if tonight's pizza night, pressing the follow button will still help you out.
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत 2 पल के सहारों की।
Want bigger arms? Try these dumbbell arm exercises. Alternating dumbbell curls, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Targets the short head of the biceps. Dumbbell hammer curls, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Focuses on the long head of the biceps. Crossbody hammer curls, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Works your biceps and brachialis muscles. To target those triceps, overhead tricep extensions, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Dumbbell skull crushers, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Remember to increase the intensity as you progress. Tap the yellow basket if you want to know more about the dumbbells I am using. Follow for more content like this.
Summer is fucking over and you walked around all summer with a little ass chest. If you think I'm gonna let you do that shit again next summer, you bullshit. First thing I'm gonna start off with is incline dumbbell. We're relatively heavy on these. I'm gonna do 3 sets and then on my last set, I'm gonna do a drop set. So failure, it's on failure. Veins busting out the neck, eyes popping out, all that shit. Yelling you, if you gotta do it, you gotta do it. Next exercise, we're gonna go to a plate loaded incline chest fly, making sure we're really going slow in the eccentric and pausing at the top of the reps. For around 3 sets of 12 to 15. Then we're gonna end off the workout with machine hammer presses. Really been loving these in my chest workout. Shit is getting my chest fucking swole. Try this shit out and let me know, player.